In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency to CAD in QuickBooks Online. If you run your books in Canada or need your financials shown in Canadian dollars, updating your currency keeps your invoices, reports, and dashboards consistent with how you operate. I'll walk you through where to find the setting and how to switch it, and I'll share a few tips so the change feels smooth and intentional. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. This is your main hub for company-level preferences. Click that gear icon to open the menu, then choose Account and Settings. This is where QuickBooks stores your global company details, including your currency. Inside Account and Settings, navigate to the left-hand panel and select the Advanced tab. The Advanced area controls how your books behave behind the scenes, and it includes the currency options you're looking for. Once you're in Advanced, find the section labeled Currency. Click into that section to edit. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can select your preferred currency. Open the list and choose Canadian dollar, shown as CAD. The moment you select CAD here, you're telling QuickBooks that CAD is the default currency for your company file. That means totals, standard reports, and most financial views will align with Canadian dollars going forward. If you primarily invoice in Canada, this helps avoid confusion, keeps taxes and totals clear, and simplifies conversations with your accountant. If you don't see the option to change the currency, or it appears locked, it may be due to existing data or company settings that prevent switching. In that case, review your current setup or check with your admin to ensure you have the right permissions. Also, if your business deals with multiple currencies, there's a separate multi-currency feature in QuickBooks. That's outside our focus today, but it's good to know that feature exists if you need it. Once CAD is selected in the drop-down, your preference is set, and you can return to your dashboard. From here on, you'll notice amounts and reports aligning with Canadian dollars, making your day-to-day bookkeeping more intuitive. To recap, open the gear icon, go to Account and Settings, head into the Advanced tab, edit the currency section, and choose CAD. That's all you need to align your QuickBooks Online file with Canadian dollars. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the clarity that comes with having your books in the right currency.